It makes sense that dogs can be valuable allies when it comes to supporting the most vulnerable people, such as individuals undergoing long-term medical treatment, older people living alone in retirement homes, and families recovering from disasters. The dogs trained to fulfill this function are known as therapy dogs. While any dog can be trained and certified as a therapy dog, there are certain characteristics that make certain breeds more suitable for this function than others. Before we move on with this video, you need to grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide, in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that professional dog trainers don't want you to know about. These training secrets would help you have a well-behaved, super intelligent, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him, her. Link to the free Secret Training Technique guide is in the description below. Exclamation mark. What are therapy dogs? Pet owners tend to have greater self-esteem, be more physically fit, are less lonely, more conscientious, are more socially outgoing, and have healthier relationship styles. Officially, therapy dogs are dogs that have been trained to provide affection, comfort, and support to people who need it, often people that are in hospital, retirement homes, nursing homes, hospices, schools, libraries, or disaster areas. Therapy dogs are different from service dogs, which include guide dogs for the blind as well as diabetes detection dogs. Service dogs have been trained to complete very specific tasks for a particular disabled individual. These dogs are granted special access to public places so that they can accompany their owner at all times. 15 Best Dog Breeds for Therapy Dogs. While making a good therapy dog is primarily about good training, some dog breeds are better suited to the role than others, and therefore, have a head start when it comes to preparing to become a therapy dog. Here are 15 of the best breeds for working as therapy dogs. 1. Labrador Retriever. Labrador Retrievers pretty much top the list of dogs suitable for all types of work, including acting as service dogs, emotional support dogs, and therapy dogs. They are intelligent, adaptable, and relatively easy to train. They have the ability to stay focused on task and love to please people. They also have a calm, patient, and affectionate temperament that makes them perfectly suited for spending time with the vulnerable. Also, despite having lots of energy, Labradors are calm, and they won't have any problem sitting still for hours with a patient if that is what is needed. 2. Golden Retriever. Like Labradors, you often see Golden Retrievers in working roles as they are perfectly suited to them. They are intelligent, gentle, and friendly, plus they look friendly, so people have no problem approaching and embracing them. Goldens are probably one of the most social and people-friendly of all the breeds. They can be especially suitable for working with children, and they are very gentle with kids despite their large size. 3. Poodle. Poodles also make great therapy dogs, and not just because they don't shed. Unlike most dog breeds that were bred for a certain type of work, poodles were bred to be companions, so they love being around people, and they are also very good at reading people and picking up in their emotions. Poodles are also incredibly smart, which makes them adaptable and easy to train. Poodles also come in a range of sizes, so it is easy to find a poodle to fit every situation. 4. Pomeranian. These balls of fluff are perfect for cozying up on a patient's lap. But these little guys aren't just cute, they are curious and have loads of personality, so people fall in love with them instantly. Their intense curiosity about the world is infectious, and patients can be distracted for hours by what these guys are up to. At the same time, this breed is intelligent and obedient, so they can fit into the sometimes difficult situations demanded of therapy dogs. 5. French Bulldog. This is another dog breed that is highly intelligent and intuitive. They are good at picking up on the emotions and moods of the people around them and adapting to changing situations. They are also easy to train, so they tend to be well behaved and pick up new commands quickly. These little dogs look sweet, and they love meeting new people and never show aggression towards strangers. Being a small breed, French Bulldogs make great therapy dogs in situations where there is not much space. They don't need much exercise and won't have any problems navigating small spaces that are full of people. 6. Greyhound. Many people may think of greyhounds as too high energy for therapy work, but it is not the case. While these lanky canines can run fast, they are actually pretty lazy and prefer lounging around. There is nothing these dogs like more than laying back and being petted for long periods of time. Greyhounds are highly trainable and have a docile temperament that means they can keep calm. They love people, and their heads are not easily turned by distractions. Their short hair also means minimal shedding, so also minimal cleanup following a visit from this pooch. 7. Pug. Pugs are another example of a small lapdog that will be happy to spend all day in the lap of a patient that needs their support. They love being touched and receiving cuddles, and they are also highly intuitive and instinctively know when a person needs a little bit more of their love and affection. They are playful, which makes them a great companion for kids, but they lack stamina, which means it is easy to maintain control of them. Another breed that is ideal for more cramped environments where there is not a lot of room to run around and play. A pug will love the attention that they get from living within a populous institutional environment. 8. Dachshund. Dachshunds are highly social dogs that love being around people and are never happier than when curled up on someone's lap. At the same time, they are active, fun-loving, and fearless, so they are always doing interesting things that patients can engage with. But they are intelligent and highly trainable, so easy to bring under control when needed. 9. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are intelligent and easy to train, which is why they are often seen working as police dogs. But their large size also makes them ideal in certain situations, for example working as the type of therapy dog that needs to lead a patient through activities. They have the energy to keep this up and are strong enough to provide physical support if needed. Despite their large size and sometimes intimidating appearance, these dogs are gentle and friendly, and they are great with kids. There is pretty much nothing that a well-trained German Shepherd can't do. 10. Border Collie. Border Collies are intelligent and they are people pleasers. There is nothing they like more than learning a new task and receiving praise for doing it right. They love being around people and they will form fast bonds with anyone that they spend a lot of time with. They are used to keeping their mind on task and won't be distracted by whoever walks into the room, whether on 2- or 4-legged kind. This breed is so affectionate that they can actually get a little bit depressed if they are left alone for too long. For this reason, they thrive in therapeutic environments where they can get all the attention that they crave. 11. Beagle. Beagles make great working animals in institutional settings as they love being around large groups of people, and they also get along especially well with children. They will quickly establish themselves as the queen bee and show their love and affection to everyone around them. This breed is highly intelligent, but also highly independent, which means that sometimes they might choose to ignore instructions, even though they understand them. The most hard-headed of beagles probably won't manage to qualify for a therapy dog role. 12. Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkshire Terriers make great therapy dogs because they love to be needed, and so will go above and beyond to give the people around them what they need. They are also highly intuitive and can be particularly good at raising the alarm when something isn't quite right. This can be the difference between life and death in certain situations. Their small size means that these dogs are easy to handle and can get along even in cramped conditions. While they are intelligent and trainable, this is another dog with a strong will, so some of the more stubborn members of the breed may struggle to play by the rules. 13. Cavalier King Charles. The silky smooth coat of this little pup is just begging to be stroked, and they love receiving affection and cuddles. While these are high-energy dogs, their small size and sweet disposition mean that they are easy to control, and they are highly intelligent so they will learn how they need to behave in a situation quickly. Eager to please, these dogs love having a task to complete, and so will thrive in a working environment. They are also friendly with other pups, so they will make a great member of a therapy dog team. 14. Corgi. Smart and with a friendly demeanor, Corgis are another small breed that will quickly learn what is required of them in a therapy situation and will thrive on the attention that they receive while fulfilling this role. They love to be touched and petted, and they are happiest when they are the center of attention. This is one of the breeds that also always look like they are smiling, so just seeing one can put a smile on a person's face before their therapy even begins. 15. Maltese. These little dogs make good therapy companions for those who struggle with mobility, as they will happily curl up in someone's lap all day and just sleep and receive strokes and cuddles. They bond quickly with people, and so will rapidly become the best friend that some patients truly need. This dog is intelligent, and they are also docile and biddable, which makes them a breeze to train. Grooming their attractive coats can become a special bonding experience between patient and pooch. Being a therapy dog requires more from a pooch than just being their endearing selves. They must be extremely well trained to behave appropriately in the institutional circumstances, and they must have a friendly disposition, which means that they like being among people and supporting them when they have the greatest need. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the Little Paws Training channel if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.